Today I'm going to talk about a specific cancer, that is GI, or we also call as gastrointestinal cancer, and I'm going to give a solution how to cure GI cancer. So what is GI or gastrointestinal cancer? Sounds complicated, right? And actually it is, as it's not a single type of cancer. It is a group of cancer affecting the whole digestive system that include liver, pancreatic, bowel cancer. This GI cancer is very threatening as the survival rate is low compared to the other types of cancer. For example, pancreatic cancer survival rate is only 7%. We all aware of the fact that chemotherapy is the main treatment process for curing different types of cancer. You will be amazed to hear that platinum can cure GI cancer. Yes, you heard me right. Platinum-based drug called oxaliplatin can destroy GI cancer cells. But this GI cancer are a tough nut to crack. It's not that easy to defeat GI cancer. The GI cancer tumor survive chemotherapy, and one of the main reasons is that not enough amount of drugs got accumulated inside the cancer cells. And that's where my PhD project came in. As you can see on the screen, the cancer cells have highly expressed membrane proteins on its surface rather than the normal cells. And this membrane protein, they remove most of the drugs from inside of the cancer cells. And oxaliplatin, as a grim reaper which can cause death to the GI cancer cells, they got pumped out by these membrane proteins. And that's how GI cancer cells, they escape their death. So the main focus of my work is to work on how to combat this problem. That's why in my experimental design, I have introduced new gene therapy method called siRNA gene silencing process, which can silence the membrane proteins on the surface of the cancer cell responsible for drug resistance. Now I used a siRNA silencer and oxaliplatin drug in GI cancer cells that's grown in our cell culture lab. And in lab, after routinely performed quantitative experiment, I have observed more amount of platinum drug got accumulated inside the cancer cells, killing more number of cancer cells. Second thing I have observed, with less amount of drug, I can kill maximum number of cancer cells. Isn't that a wonderful thing to know? So till now what I found out, if I combine siRNA silencer and the platinum drug oxaliplatin, it can increase GI cancer tumor death, and the end result leads to maximum therapeutic outcome. And yay, finally, platinum won against the battle, GI cancer. Thank you.